120 years old. 120 years old. She's still living. 120 years old. Still living. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dorido TV. That's the program. Reach out and touch. Guys, you can see the way I'm dressing. We are going to the village. I want to visit the elderly people and we want to surprise them, and I've brought some stuff in my vehicle so that I can give to the elderly. You know, the love that we have for the elder people, it's so much because they raised us. They need care from us. They need us. They need us to do something. Everything that we need to do for elderly, we just have to do it. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, please click that notification bell and also click that red subscribe button so that every time I post a video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Please, I'm begging, guys, come with me as I drive along to see the elderly people in the village. Mama, come along with me, guys. As we told you that I was driving around to see a certain old woman, and right now I've reached the place. It's in the village. It was a tough road, but I've managed to come right here. I need to see this old woman, and I've managed to buy these stuffs so that we can give them. These are the stuffs. It's a little stuff, but these are the little stuffs that we have so that we can give them. Reach out and touch. That's the program. Please follow me. If it's your first time again, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Dorido Television. And also follow us on our Facebook page, Dorido TV, and on TikTok, Dorido Television. This old woman has 120 years old, and she's having her birthday this coming Friday. I felt it was so heartbroken to see a 120-year-old person who's still existing in this world, in this generation, suffering. I had to take a responsibility. I had to take a step. So come along as I show you 120 years old woman that is still existing right here in this village in Livingstone at Simonga, Siatera village. Come along with. All right, it's okay. All right. Welcome back, Dorido Television. Reach out and touch. That's the program. Today, I want to surprise you guys. We have our old granny here. She is 120 years old. 120 years old. She's still living. 120 years old. Still living, and she's still strong. She is 120 years. 120 years, still strong, still alive. Wherever you're watching in the world, Friday is our birthday. We want you to do something. Send some gifts to her. Contact us how you can meet her. If you are willing to come and see her, please come and see her. With anything, this is our only last mother in this generation. She has attained 120 years. Sorry, Mama. Sorry. Sorry. Musana. So, we have come to see her. We have brought her some stuff, and we have brought her what she likes. You will not believe, her firstborn son is over 80s, going to 90 years old. The firstborn son. And here is the firstborn son. I need to show you the firstborn of my grandma. Here's the firstborn son. Firstborn 90 years. Still strong. Still existing. 90 years. This is a blessing. These are the people that are going to see Jesus Christ when he comes. It's a blessing. And I'm telling you guys, this Friday, it's a birthday for our granny who is 120 years old. So I want you to come along with us. Let's keep on watching. The firstborn of Ambuya is 90 years, and this is the second-born. She is 82, but she is lame, she's disabled. She doesn't walk, she cannot walk. She only uses hands walking, which is a sad situation. It's a sad thing. I want you guys who are watching this program to do something. Friday, it's Ambuya's birthday. She's turning 120 years, and it's her birthday. We need to do something. If you think you can manage to come with us, please come and show her love. This is the only last generation that has remained in this generation. 120 years is not a joke. And also, we need to consider our mother right here. She doesn't have blankets. They don't have blankets. They don't have mattresses. They don't have anything. Even the house they're living. Look at the house they're living. Look at the house they're living. We need to do something. If we can do things for the sake of the Lord, for people like them, we'll not lose anything. What about if we damage this house, we destroy this house? What about if we build this house? So that our Ambuya, our granny who is 120 years old, and her daughter, they can live at least in a very good apartment at last. So we are going to destroy this house. We are going to build a house. But if you are feeling in your heart that you can come in this project, please contact us. Come with us. You can come to see this Ambuya, this granny. You can come to this place so that we can start this project together. God bless you for watching. Keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe and also follow us on Facebook and on TikTok, The Regal Television.